guys, welcome back to me, talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you online jobs that you can do as a South African. Two of these jobs are international, so even if you're outside South Africa, you can still apply. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, Valnet.com. Valnet is a company based in Johannesburg but work remotely, or at least for this particular job, and they are looking for writers in South Africa. You will be simplifying complex topics to be posted on a website called Make Use Of. In case you don't know, this is a global tech publication website where you find latest tech news. All the articles you see on their website were written by freelancers under companies such as Valnet. You are required to write 8 articles per month, and since the content is tech related, you must stay up to date with tech news, new products and updates. In as much as this is a writing job, I think it's more suitable for people who love technology or love learning about technology, because that's all you write about. You don't get to choose a topic from a different category, but everything that you write about is centered around technology. No degrees required for this job, and you must be available for peak hours during weekdays. For weekends, you're not required to be available, but when you're applying and you indicate that you can be available on weekends, it's a plus. During weekends, people are at home and they have more time to read articles. Publications take advantage of that and they release more content, and they need people like you to write that content for them. As part of the requirements, you are required to send your CV, cover letter, and 2 to 3 articles to demonstrate your knowledge and ability to write. If you don't have any articles written, you can do some research and write those articles before you apply. But please avoid copying and pasting, because these companies have plagiarism testing tools. Number 2, Online Media Group. OMG is a digital media agency and content delivery. They are looking for digital marketing strategies with innovative ideas to improve customer experience. You will be working together with other team members, effectively connecting brands with their online communities, freelancers, and businesses. This company is international, but they work remotely and they hire globally. Some of your roles will be to analyze web traffic metrics and suggest solutions to boost web trends, monitor marketing and sales performances, paying attention to audience preferences and creating new campaigns, and setting digital marketing strategies. For this particular job, you are required to have a marketing degree, but don't worry, because the next job you don't need any degree. You are also required to have a proven work experience in digital marketing space, and you must have excellent verbal communication skills. As you may know, marketing is all about expressing. On average, the company pays $45 per hour, and they pay in dollars, euros and pounds. Number 3, APEN independent agents. Independent agents contract with APEN to provide search engine evaluation for APEN clients. As an agent, you'll be conducting an in-depth search, providing information evaluation for companies all around the world. So instead of finding clients on your own for search engine evaluation, APEN serves as a middleman. Some of the jobs you'll do or have access to include social media evaluation, speech evaluation and lexicon annotation. No degree or experience required, you just have to be above 18. And becoming an APEN agent doesn't cost anything, but you do need to pass their test. Don't be afraid of the test, because it's based on a comprehension, and besides, if you're not sure of something, you can always check online. Number 4, Schooly.com. In South Africa, there are many education graduates who are without jobs. Growing up, education used to be one of those courses with endless jobs, but over the years, that has changed. Universities are continuously producing more and more graduates, which is a good thing, but sadly, we are in South Africa where you can suffer even with a degree. Schooly is a company that hires qualified teachers to work remotely. You have your own schedule, and the tutoring service is 24/7. Students schedule sessions in advance, or they can request instant help if you are online. These are some of the online jobs you can try as a South African. I try to include both experienced and non-experienced jobs, but I do also have exclusive videos for no experience, so do check them out. And please remember, after applying, be patient. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can. Bye.